This week's review dives into the latest blockbuster and the bold technologies powering its immersive worlds. Real-time ray tracing, global illumination, and advanced physics create scenes that react with cinematic realism. New AI-driven NPCs adapt to player choices, while streaming assets push seamless open worlds across devices. Beyond visuals, the game showcases a modular toolchain that accelerates creator workflows and invites global community experimentation. The analysis concludes with outlooks on cross-platform play, cloud rendering, and what these trends mean for players and developers worldwide and beyond.